Let's do the wheel brakes on this 2017 GMC Acadia. It is the same procedure on the Chevy Traverse, Buick Enclave, and the Chevy Blazer. Let's start by putting the wheel brakes in service mode using this scan tool here. I'll post the link in the comment section below for that one. It is imperative to have a dealer level scan tool to put the vehicle in service mode before servicing the wheel brakes. Do not attempt to compress the wheel caliper. Do not attempt once again to compress the wheel caliper. So it's pretty straightforward. You identify the vehicle and you go to special function and you retract the wheel calipers with the scan tool. That's literally what it does when you tell the vehicle to go in service mode. You retract the calipers so you'll be able to compress it. Just follow what I'm doing in this video here to know how to put it in service mode. And you'll be hearing the caliper, the parking brake motor going crazy back there, winding back to prepare it to do the brakes. There you go, vehicle's ready. And now it's time to shut it off and get to work. Put the vehicle up in the air. Here are all the tools you need to do this job. Some of them are not necessary. Look at the wheel pads. They were at 430 seconds. The other side is even worse. So first, let's start about tapping the wheel water to break the rust off of it. When you do that, you'll see a lot of dust coming out of it. It'll make your life so much easier to take those bolts off. Now you're gonna use the T30 so you can break the brake rotor retaining screw off. That one a lot of times is very rusted, so that's why I end up using the hammer to tap it in so you can break the rust off of it. The next step is remove the brake caliper bolt. It is a 14 millimeter. Good. Let's take the wheel caliper off. Just wiggle. It will eventually come out. Now we're going to compress the caliper with this tool. It's a caliper compressing tool. I'll post the link in the comment section for that one too. You compress the caliper piston all the way. Good. Now you're gonna hang the caliper with a bungee cord like this. And we're going to inspect our slider pin to make sure they move freely. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like and comment if you have any question. Now we're going to remove our caliper bracket bolt. It is 18 millimeter. And I'm going to switch to my Milwaukee ratchet to speed up the process. Good. Those brake pads are seized in the caliper, so I ended up using a hammer like this to push them out. And we're going to replace our hardware for the caliper bracket. Make sure it comes with new one. If not, buy them separate. In my case, I ended up getting them. So I'm taking the old one off so I can clean it up very good and put new caliper hardware in. Gonna use a wire brush like this, clean them real good. That's good. Now we're going to grease our caliper slider pin. Inspect them for rust. I will recommend you replace them if they are rusted. or get a whole caliper bracket for that matter. Good. Let's install our new caliper bracket hardware. Good. Let's take our holder out. Now let's clean our brake hub using a wire brush like this. So when you put the new holder in, it will sit flush against the hub. Here's our new holder. Make sure you clean this holder with soap and water or brake cleaner, because they usually come with a rust protection film on them, more like oil, some type of oil to protect it. Now let's put our brake holder within a screw. Here's our new caliper bracket. Using my Milwaukee here to speed up the process. 80mm once again. And finish tightening it with my ratchet. It's a 3/8 ratchet. Here's our new brake pad. Those brake pad, the one that have the clip, it's like a wear indicator. It will be the outside pad. The one with the 2 prong in the back will go in the back of the holder. That one, and this one with the thing on top, that metal piece on top, will go in the front. Because the two things, the brake pad in the back have to align with the caliper for the parking brake. Make sure you pay attention to that, to the orientation. And now let's put our caliper in. Put your bolt in, and that will be it, guys. It's pretty straightforward. Remember to pump your brakes before you go for a test drive, and calibrate your parking brake using that skin tool. Watch the rest of the video so you'll see how I ended up recalibrate the wheel parking brake assembly. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next clip. Back in the vehicle. Step number 1. Let's pump the brakes a few times. Good. Put the vehicle in accessory mode. Good. We're going right back to actuator test. And see wheel brake caliper piston extend. Okay. Apply. Caliper's going crazy back there. Okay. Good. Now we're gonna back out and go to special function and parking brake calibration. Good. It's okay. We might have a few codes in the EBCM and we're going to clear them. You see the history code, and we're going to clear those codes. Good. Now let's start the vehicle. Brake feels good. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you on to the next one.